Look around. Welds play a major role in making the modern ecosystems that we live in a reality. Win Automation is on a quest to make welding more efficient by offering end-to-end solutions for arc and spot welding. We offer turnkey solutions for design and manufacture of jigs and welding fixtures, robotic welding solutions and inspection, connected by our IoT solution that helps monitor working parameters in real time, identify bottlenecks, and eliminate unplanned downtime. The result? Improved efficiency. The applications of our robotic welding solutions are many. Cars, seat frames, cross-car beams, fuel fillers, airbag housing and chassis. Motorcycles, frames, handlebars, center stands, side stands and swing arms. Trucks, chassis parts, cabin structure, axle beams and floor panels. Construction equipment, booms, dippers, cabin structure, chassis, loader arms, shovels and buckets. Rapid transit, bogies, undercarriages, sidewalls, roofs. Heavy engineering, transformer radiator fins, boilers, reactors and pipe joints. Aerospace, engine fuel tubes. Win Automation partners with renowned brands such as Kuka, Fanuc, Yaskawa, ABB, Kawasaki, Forneus, and Lincoln. Our engineering expertise is what sets us apart, enabling our customers to enjoy reduced costs, consistent high-quality welds, repeatability, reduced time, resource optimization, and safety, resulting in a sharp competitive advantage and an increase in productivity. With experience that spans over 18 years, delivering more than 4,000 projects, Win Automation is a partner you can rely upon for smoother, faster, and smarter launch of your projects. Partner with Win Automation. Be the future.